You can create viral YouTube videos with zero experience thanks to Pictory AI. Yes, even if you've never edited a video before. This tool handles the editing, voiceover, and visuals all on its own. No cameras, no special skills required. Let's dive in. Most people assume you need expensive gear or elite editing skills to succeed on YouTube. That's a myth. With Pictory AI, you can produce faceless viral videos in minutes. You don't need to show your face, record your voice, or master complex software. All you need is a laptop and a solid idea. But here's the true secret. You don't need a massive channel to profit with Pictory. You can start earning from your very first upload. Forget waiting for 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. Pictory AI is a versatile tool that transforms your script into a polished YouTube video. It integrates stock footage, music, and AI voiceovers seamlessly. Use it for listicles, tutorials, reviews, or any faceless niche. You can start for free without any prior experience. And here's a detail most creators overlook. You can use Pictory for any category: fitness, finance, travel, or even converting your own blog posts. Wondering where to get your scripts? You have two simple paths. First, use your existing articles or blog posts. Just copy and paste them into Pictory. Second, leverage ChatGPT or any free AI writer. Input a prompt like "Top 5 Home Workouts for Beginners" and ask ChatGPT for a concise, step-by-step script. The more specific your title, the better the output. Best of all, you don't need to be a writer. AI does the heavy lifting. Now let's see Pictory in action. Click the link in the description to create your free account. Once inside, select Script to Video and paste your content. Pictory will segment your script into scenes, matching each with relevant footage and audio. You can swap any clip, search the library, or upload your own media. Customize it further with text, captions, and your brand logo. For narration, choose from high-quality built-in AI voices or upload your own audio. It's all drag-and-drop simplicity. Bonus, you can finish a complete video in under 20 minutes, even as a total beginner. Imagine launching your first viral hit today with no camera and no stress. Now, let's talk strategy. The key to going viral is choosing searchable topics. Craft a title that promises quick results, like "Top 5 AI Tools for YouTube" or "Make Money Without a Camera." Generate your script via ChatGPT, import it to Pictory, refine your scenes, and export. Keep your thumbnails bold and clean. Use custom characters, large text, and vibrant colors. When uploading, optimize with keywords like "faceless YouTube" and "AI video." In your description, mention you use Pictory and include your link. Remember, instant monetization is possible. With Pictory, you can earn as soon as you get views. Faceless channels can literally pay off within your first month. While YouTube pays for ads, you can maximize income through affiliate links, digital products, or courses. By joining Pictory's affiliate program, you can generate revenue from day one. Every referral earns you a commission. You don't have to wait for AdSense approval. This is exactly how I scaled my income so quickly. But does it actually work? Let me show you the evidence. Every month I make a profit simply by helping others discover this tool. This isn't just theory, it's real profit. I started as a regular user, made my own videos, shared my success, and the results spoke for themselves. Now, as an affiliate, I earn a commission on every sale plus a monthly bonus. To achieve real success, you need to actually use this tool and demonstrate its value. The Pictory affiliate program consists of 4 tiers, starting with the standard tier. You begin with a 20% recurring commission. Refer 50 users to become a VIP affiliate for 30% commissions and a free premium account. At 250 referrals, you hit super affiliate status, 40% commission and lifetime premium. Finally, at 500 referrals, you become a mega affiliate, 50% recurring pay, a $1,000 bonus, and wire transfer options. The best strategy is using the tool yourself. Audiences trust creators who actually use what they promote. Start as a standard affiliate today and climb the ranks just like I did. Check my link in the description to start for free. To unlock full earning potential, upgrade to a paid plan and join the program. That is the complete blueprint. Creating viral, useful content has never been easier. With Pictory, you can turn text into finished videos in just a few minutes, even without any editing experience. Start your content creation journey right now. Click the link in the video description and try the service out for yourself. Let us know in the comments what kind of channel you plan to develop. Subscribe so you don't miss out on tips for working with AI.